video guys, I will be reviewing e.l.f. foundation. A very affordable foundation. This is a drugstore product. You can get it from Target, BW, Kmart. Affordable lang siya. I got this for $13. Ito po ang itsura niya. Yan. So, very affordable siya kung you're in a budget and you wanna keep yourself beautiful. So, ito po yung bagay sa atin, mga mommies. Ito po yung itsura niya. This is, sabi niya dito, Flawless Finish Foundation. Oil-free foundation, which is very good, especially sa mga oily skin. Using skincare product that has oil may cause breakout po sa skin natin, especially if you are prone to acne. Personally, I recommend oil-free products kasi anyone can clog pores. Kahit po oily skin ka or sensitive skin ka or normal skin ka, medium to full coverage foundation, flawless, even, satin matte base. So, ito daw yung ibibigay ng foundation ito. So, same thing, maglalagay po ako ng primer on my right side and without primer sa left side ko. So, that we can compare kung alin ang mas maganda, kung may primer ba siya o yung walang primer. And, I will be using a sponge. So, ito po yung ano niya. Tingnan natin yung consistency. I'm in the shade nude. So, ang tagal niya. Tagal niya. Ayan. So, very creamy siya. Ito po yung ano niya. Very creamy. So, ibig sabihin, pag creamy ang foundation, medyo makapal o yung coverage niya is maganda. So, gagamit po ako ng primer sa right side ko para makita natin kung ano ang difference niya with and without primer. Importante po maglalagay tayo ng primer bago po tayo natin foundation sa face natin. Leave muna natin ng mga 30 seconds, ganyan, para mag-set yung primer. So, when we apply our foundation, mababawasan din yung pagkikris niya. Hindi siya mag-set. Kailangan once na inano, you really have to blend it na. So, medium to full coverage. Nakikita mo guys, ang perfect. Nakalimutan ko yung mic ko. Wala pala akong mic. Pasensya na. So, ayan guys. Nakita nyo na. Ayan. Maano siya, malagkit. Taki siya. Tapos, parang ang kapal niyang tingnan. Ayan. Parang ang kapal niya tingnan. After a minute, ano na siya, parang hindi na malagkit ang feeling, hindi na siya tacky. Nag-set na siya. Once nag-set na, ayan, sabi niya medium to full coverage. Yes, medium to full coverage. Siguro kung lalagyan mo pa ng second layer, talagang full coverage na siya. Pero first layer pa lang, parang naano na ako, nakakapala na ako sa kanya. So, isang layer lang muna yung inano ko. Pero so far, okay naman. Kaya lang, if you can see, you notice, dito sa my primer, yung pores ko is, nag-ano siya, nag-even siya. Compare dito sa walang primer. Kung napapansin niyo guys, kung nakikita niyo, yung pores ko is talagang visible siya. Visible siya. Yan, makikita pa rin siya. Tapos yung mga acne scars ko, andyan pa rin siya. Yan. Tingnan nga natin kung lagyan natin pa ng isa pang layer kung makakover niya yung mga what the heck. Yan, nagkalat na. Nakita nyo. Umalat na siya. Ayan, sumabog. Okay. Meron pa natin yung may mga blemishes tayo. Ayan guys, medyo na-cover niya yung blemish ko dito, yung aking high pigmented dito, yung aking tapos yung acne scars ko, ayan pa rin, medyo kulay ako ng dugo, ayan pa siya. So, titingnan uli natin mamaya kung ano yung magiging resulta ng foundation na to kasi so far sa pag-apply ko makapal siya. Tapos tacky siya pag in-apply ko. While I'm applying, it feels tacky. But after a minute, after a couple of minutes, nagiging lightweight na siya. You don't feel any weightless na siya. Hindi na siya tacky once it sets on your face. Tapos yung medium coverage, sinasabi niya, medium to full coverage. Ito yung ano niya. Ayan. Ito yung may primer. Tapos ito yung walang primer. So as you can see, yung aking mga blemishes, yung high pigmentation ko dito sa aking face, hindi pa niya nako-cover talaga fully. So, medium coverage lang siya. Although nilagyan ko pa siya ng second layer, hindi pa rin niya na-cover up yung aking high pigmentation yan, tsaka yung aking acne scars. So, hindi siya maganda pagka walang primer. Kailangan pag gagamitin nyo tong foundation na to, you have to apply primer first before this foundation kasi if you have visible pores, kung may open pores kayo, makikita niyo talaga mag-aano siya, mag-appear siya or magiging visible siya sa face niyo. So there you have it guys. So mamaya babalikan ko po kayo for more updates kung ano ang result ng foundation na to. I will be finishing my look and then I'll get back to you guys. Hi guys, I'm back. I've done my makeup now. So, ito po yung foundation na gamit ko, yung e.l.f. So, I've been wearing this for half an hour now since I apply it on my face. And then, we will see later on kung ano yung magiging result niya, kung okay ba siya. Kasi, matte finish siya. As you can see, talagang very matte siya. This is ideal for oily skin kasi talagang i-control niya yung oil ng face mo. Wala pa naman akong nakitang namumuo-muo na wala pa akong napapansin na kahindik-hindik or hindi ka nais-nais so far. So later on guys, I'll get back to you and then I will update you more kung ano na yung magiging result ng foundation na to. Kasi lalabas ako, iba pa rin kasi talaga pagka yung makeup natin or yung foundation na sinusuot natin, itetest natin where we are outside the house. Iba yung humidity inside the house, iba yung humidity outside the house. So we'll see later on guys kung ano yung result niya, kung talaga bang yung oil control niya is really good. Hi guys, I'm back. Update po tayo sa foundation ng e.l.f. Ito po yan, yung e.l.f. Yan. Yung e.l.f. Ito po yung gamit ko ngayon. This is Flawless Finish Foundation. Guys, itong foundation na to is really matte. This is ideal for oily skin. If you have oily skin, this foundation really works for you. Talagang kinokontrol niya yung oil ng face ninyo. Malakas ang control ng oil niya. Kasi I've been wearing this for 5 hours already but I cannot see any oil na lumalabas or any crease or any cakey sa face ko. Even on the side of my nose, under my eyes, I don't see any cakey. Talagang I never done any retouch or blotting. So, kung ano yung nung tapos ko siyang gamitin, yun na yun. Hindi na ako nag-retouch noon. Lumabas na ako ng bahay, nag-lunch na ako, nag-grocery na ako, and then I went outside, get all the clothes in the line. So, very sunny this day. And summer ngayon dito sa amin. So, ang tendency niyan, if it's summer, if it's hot, yung oil ng face mo lalabas siya. But this foundation controls the oil of the face, of my face. So, I don't see any cakey issue with regards to this foundation. So, this foundation is really good for oily skin, I reckon. So, yun guys, later on, maya-maya, update ko po ulit kayo kung anong final update ko. Later on, I will update you more my final thoughts about this foundation, the e.l.f. foundation. Okay, we'll see you again later guys. Hi guys, I'm back with my final thoughts about this foundation. For me, it is really good kasi na-maintain niya yung coverage ng foundation sa mukha ko. Remember that guys, ito yung my primer at maganda pa rin siya up to now, and ito yung walang primer and still good pa rin siya. I didn't see any cakey, I didn't see any wear off aside sa lipstick ko. Kasi ito yung itsura niya sa natural lighting. I recommend this foundation especially for those people has oily skin. Under my eyes, I didn't see any cakey. Yan, yung aking ano na lang, eyeliner. Yan. So sa gilid ng nose, I didn't see any. Yan. Yan siya. So hindi po ako nag-retouch neto guys, hindi ako nag-blot. I didn't do anything retouch done. I didn't apply any powder. So since in-apply ko siya until now, yung pa rin po, wala na po akong nilagay dyan. I didn't apply any setting spray kasi gusto kong makita talaga kung gaano siya kaganda or effective ba talaga yung oil control niya. So alright, my final thoughts, yeah, oil control is really good. And then yung coverage niya, medium to full coverage, buildable siya, and then flawless ang finish niya. Although at first medyo very heavy yung feeling niya and very tacky siya, but after niya mag-set sa face niyo, very lightweight na siya. And then matte finish. matte foundation is good especially pagkasama kasi makokontrol niya talaga yung paglabas ng oil sa face natin. So that's one I recommend to you guys. If it's summer, you have to use matte foundation. Lalagay ko po sa description box below yung mga product na ginamit ko for this video. So kayo guys, ladies, yung may mga oily skin type dyan, I can recommend this foundation sa inyo kasi talagang yung oil control niya is really good. So that's it guys, we'll see you next time, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe on my channel, and I will update you more with new foundation and new products na lalabas sa market. So don't forget to subscribe guys and like this video. Thank you. Bye.